Hello everybody, my name is Farmer Phil, and today, as you can see behind me, I'm spreading and I am splashing, not dribbling, even though I do have the triple bar tanker. Farmer doesn't want to dribble, so we're using the tanker. We have two tankers on the go, this one and our hydraulic tanker, and by right I should be using our other 2,500 gallon tanker. The old one we have is 061, but the wheel bearing is gone in one side. Well, one of the wheel bearings is gone. That needs to be changed. Hopefully, whatever we do get around to fixing it, I do a video of fixing it. We'll be changing both sides, because once one's gone, the other one can't be too far behind. So we're spreading away in North Longford at the minute, and as you might be able to see, rushy sort of ground. So it is rushy all ground. So there's two tankers on the go, spreading away. Not too bad now. Bit of a travel on the road and that, but not his grand. Hopefully now I'll do the same with with this video as I did the last one. I think I'll keep it up. Everyone seemed to like it a lot. Doing the other shots, so they'll be included in it as I go along. So keep your eye out for that, seeing as everyone loves it, and I'll continue to do it with all other future welcome to my office videos. So as you can see then, hat, you want to go down in the description down below and go over to the competition there and enter for your chance to win a free hat or beanie. And as I said before, winner will be announced on Sunday. So yeah, so that's the hat. And what else? Oh, geez. Overalls, that was it. My overalls, as you can see, JCB. No, I'm not after buying a brand new JCB, though I wish I was in a position to be able to buy a new JCB. But the reason I have a pair of JCB overalls on is because my girlfriend's father is a JCB dealer in England, and I got a pair off him. So that's why I am wearing a JCB pair of overalls. So back to what we're doing now. We've one more field to do, 12 acres, and we're not emptying the tank. We're taking stuff out of it so we can put in more water, so we can get more out until eventually we get it all out, because it's just one of them tanks that's just impossible. So that's what we're doing. You should see my uncle is my uncle is spreading with other tractor and tanker. He's using the 6290, and I'm in the 6480 with the double bar tanker, splashing away. It takes actually quite a while for this tanker to empty itself out, and we still haven't. With other tankers, we took the end off it, just took the slice off the end of the splash, the rubber, took the slice off it to make it empty the tank quicker. Now I have this field done, so I go back into the other one, but sliced it to make it empty quicker. The other tankers have it done, so it leaves this one a bit slower, just emptying out through the splash plate. But it doesn't really matter. This is just a job of trying to get stuff out of a tank and try and cover bed, and the man isn't over pushed up when it's done. So it's grand. It's grand. Small bit to do just at the top where we're coming into the field, and we can go out to another one. What else? There was something else. Oh yeah, that was it. So as you can see, tanker is very dirty, tractor is very dirty. That is just down to, they haven't been washed so far this, well, the tractor's been washed this year after it was finished with the dung, and then I got put at this job, and we kept fairly busy. Now we're down to one more job, I think, and then we've all the tanker and done. That's on the books at the minute. And so it was at this, and we did a couple of mucky jobs, mucky gaps, and as you can tell from the tractor and the tanker, especially the tanker, it didn't clear out that well over it. Very mucky. So I'm hoping now when we do get around, when we get the slurry finished up and we get around to washing yokes and that, to do a few videos. I'm also hoping to do a video on the washing the umbilical system, getting her all spruced up and clean now that she's finished with, bar we've a bit for ourselves to do, but God only knows where we're going to get that done. And I'm also intending on, we're just getting ready to service the plough, to start ploughing. We're not under any big rush, to get stuff in, as all our spring stuff will be going for whole crop, so it doesn't need to be in early or that. It's all going for whole crop. So we cut at really any stage. We cut it if everything, all the spring stuff will all be cut the one week, all going in regardless of whether it's green or it's ripe or what. We have a mill, we'll process it, put all into the pit. And so we're not over pushed about how late it ends up. Like, we had stuff before that was sown in June and we whole cropped the green and it was great stuff. We had it tested, and for starch it tested as good as maize, as good as average maize, which was great feat in it. So we're not under pushed about that, so we're just in the process of getting parts to fix up the plough, so I can go do a bit of ploughing. So I'll hopefully need to do a few videos on fixing up the plough, and because silage season will be soon upon us, as we're fixing up machines, I hope to do a few videos on that and put them up on Mondays, a mechanic Monday, I think is what I'll do. I'll wait and see how I get on doing videos, trying to keep the schedule going. I'll see how it goes, but I'm thinking I'll try and put them up on a Monday. So you might be able to see, you might not, I don't know. Behind me, you might be able to see the other tanker. My uncle's just after coming into the field, so 2 tankers going. There'll be a couple of different shots now I get with the selfie stick. You probably might have seen a few. It's very hard to talk about things in foresight, hindsight. It confuses me when I talk about how whenever get away from that. So yeah, I'm open on doing a couple of them things when we start fixing up the silage machines, the rake, the mowers, all of that. This tractor as well, a couple of things want to be done on it. I'm hoping to do a few videos on the mechanic inside of the thing. And then silage season, we're expecting silage to start early. Talking to some of the farmers and that, and the grass is way ahead on other years, and so they're expecting an early cut. Could be cutting mid-May, maybe a bit after. Definitely have a lot of stuff cutting now before the end of May. But the way things are looking and the way men are talking, once the weather plays out fairly favourable and that, no problems. So I think I am just about empty there now. Yeah, so that's it. I don't think I've anything else to talk about. So there'll be a couple of shots thrown in me and the ruddy, so you would have seen them all. You know yourself. The video might go on a few minutes after, depends on what kind of shots I get and that. But I'll leave it at that. If you have any comments, anything like that, as always, please hit me down in the comments down below. Hope you enjoyed this video. That's it from me. Good luck.